Juicy and refreshing, this salad is such a winner and ideal for warm weather meals. Tossed with a healthy lemon chia vinaigrette, you'll find every bite absolutely bursts with flavor. We'll start by combining some non-dairy ricotta and mix it with a little olive oil and a little fresh lemon zest. And let this sit while we make the remainder of the recipe. Next, we'll chop some seedless watermelon into 1-inch cubes and add them to a large salad bowl, removing any rogue seeds along the way. We'll add a generous amount of fresh baby arugula and some thinly sliced fresh radishes, as well as some fresh mint leaves, just roughly torn up. Next, we'll make our lemon chia vinaigrette. In a mixing bowl, we'll combine some olive oil, maple syrup, chia seeds, red pepper flakes, sea salt, and a little ground black pepper, and some fresh lemon juice. And whisk this together to combine. We'll add the dressing we made and gently toss this together. For each serving, we'll spread some of our lemony ricotta onto the plate and add the salad, sprinkling everything with some pepitas, a little flaked sea salt, and adding a couple fresh mint leaves for garnish. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and much more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.